the building. Everybody hands go up. And they stay there. And they say yeah. And they stay there. 'Cause all I do is win.
Hey, kindergarten, first grade, and second grade. So for your next activity, I have planned for you guys to do a scavenger hunt, an at-home scavenger hunt. So your teachers have sent to your parents what you see on the screen. It's your scavenger hunt list, and your parents can either print it off or you can keep it up on the screen. And so your teacher is going to put a 10-minute clock up on the screen, and your job is to find objects that match what's on the list. So for instance, it says something that starts with the letter S. So you're going to go run off, you're going to come back, you're going to find something that begins with the letter S and come back and say, I've got a spatula. And then you're going to go to the next letter, B. You're going to go run off and find something that begins with the letter B. You can say, hey, I found a book. And then find something that begins with the letter G. And you're going to run off and find, garlic. Ew, that smells gross. And so you need to find something that begins with each of those letters, and then find something that is black. And hey, I've got a pair of black headphones here. Something that's yellow, go run off and find, hey, I got a box of corn pops here. So you're going to find things that match those colors, and then find things that match those shapes. So the rule is that you have to find one of each of those objects before you can start finding a second of each of those objects. So you've got to find something that begins with all of those letters, an object that is all of those colors, an object that is all of those shapes, before you can find another S object. So you're going to go off, find those objects, and just put them next to your computer or wherever you're zooming from, and then go off and find the next object. And then when the 10 minutes are up, your teacher is going to ask, everyone hold up your S object. And so everyone holds up their S object. And then they're going to say, everyone hold up your B object. And you hold that up in front of your camera. And you're going to go down the list and hold up the objects that your teachers ask for. And you get a point for every object that you have that matches what the teacher asks for. So if you have 2 S objects, hold them both up and you'll get 2 points for that. Now you need to make sure that you ask for your parents' permission before you start grabbing certain items. If it's something that's fragile or doesn't belong to you or can break easily, make sure you check with them before you grab it and bring it back to your camera. All right, those are all the rules. Have fun with this, okay, guys?
And they stay there. And they say yeah. And they stay there. 'Cause all I do is win.
This next activity is called Plastic Bag Blast. You'll need a pair of shoes set 10 feet apart, a plastic bag, and a magazine. Your job is to see how many times you can fan the magazine and blow the plastic bag from one shoe to another in a minute. Mr. Tuck will demonstrate.